Hello and welcome to the video walk around. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at a 2019 Toyota Corolla XSE. This is a 5-passenger sedan in black sand pearl, and under the hood you'll find a 1.8 liter 4-cylinder driving on 17-inch wheels. Some of the great exterior features we'll find on this Corolla include your turn signals on the side mirrors, a backup camera, and a proximity smart key system which allows for easy access. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button, as well as our trunk release button, which we will get to in just a moment. Like I mentioned, this Corolla does have a proximity smart key system, so if you got your key fob in your pocket, we can press this button, these two lines right here, and that'll lock the vehicle. And to unlock it, it's as simple as putting our hand inside. Taking a look inside, on the bottom of the door, we have some cup holders. On top, you have your power windows locks. Next to the door, you will find your power mirrors as well as your heated steering wheel button for those cold winter months. This Corolla is equipped with all-weather mats and black leather seating. On the bottom, you will find our power seating adjustment buttons. Now let's hop inside and start the Corolla up. It is a push start. Press that brake in and push that engine start button right behind the wheel there. We're going to take a look on the left side of the steering wheel first. These clusters right here will help you control your entertainment screen. On the bottom, you have your voice recognition system. On the right, this cluster right here will allow you to navigate through the multi-information display. And while we are up here, just to show you that this Corolla does have 4,162 kilometers on it. Below that, you have your Toyota Safety Sense buttons with lane departure alert and dynamic radar cruise control, and your cruise control speed settings are located right behind the wheel there. Now before we move on from our steering wheel, just to show you behind, we have paddle shifters. Now we can move on to our screen here. Right now we are on the home screen. On the left side, it displays any device that might be connected through Bluetooth. On the right side, we got the navigation map. It is a touchscreen, so we can press that and that map will enlarge. You can set your destination. If we go into audio and we go press audio twice, that'll take you to your sources. You have your standard AM and FM options. You also have a choice between CD, USB, auxiliary, and a Bluetooth device. If we go into reverse, you get a nice backup camera as well. Down below is our climate control system. Nice and simple, you got these buttons right here that of course control your temperature, intensity, and your function. We can also press this off button right here. Down below you'll find your 12-volt outlet, USB and auxiliary, and your driver and passenger heated seats. And down below you have some storage space. Next, behind the shifter, you have your sport drive mode as well as the two cup holders. And before we move to the cargo, we're just going to take a quick look in the back here. On the bottom, you have some storage space, just like the driver's side. Continuing with the all-weather mats and black leather seating. If we move in the center here, we can pull this down, giving you access to two cup holders and a little armrest. And these seats do fold down. All we got to do is pull this upwards, and that will give you access to your cargo. To open up, all we got to do is hold this third button on our key fob, and that trunk will open for us, nice and easy. Taking a look inside, you can see there's plenty of cargo space in the back of this sedan. Like I mentioned, the rear seats do fold down. That'll give you that extra bit of room. If we look underneath here, we can lift this. Here you will find your tools and your spare tire in case that ever goes out on you. To close up, we're just going to give that a gentle push. Taking a last look at our 2019 Toyota Corolla XSE. Once again, some of those great interior features include your leather heated seats, backup camera, and navigation. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here, Toyota Northwest Edmonton, on the corner of 137th Avenue and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.